Hi, my name is Michael Covington. I'm Vice President of Product for Wandera. Wandera is a mobile security company. We protect businesses all around the world and of different sizes from mobile cyber threats and help them manage employee usage risk. Mobile threat defense is traditionally looking at the endpoint, the mobile device itself. Wandera extends from that endpoint and looks at network-oriented risk, making sure that there are not things like man-in-the-middle attacks or protocol attacks happening outside of the device. And we're also going to be looking to make sure that the device is not introducing risk by downloading content like a phishing attack or a piece of malware. One of the other things that we actually have as well is an ability for customers to manage their corporate devices and ensure that employees don't introduce risk by the types of sites that they're visiting. One of the challenges we're seeing organizations face is as they broadly adopt mobility, they need to find ways to manage it. And so they've invested very heavily in unified endpoint management, which doesn't provide the full set of protections that they're looking to achieve for their mobile workers. Mobile Threat Defense, or MTD, is a natural extension, a complementary product to Unified Endpoint Management, or UEM, products like Microsoft Intune. MTD essentially adds a layer beyond the UEM to protect devices and employees in real time against mobile threats. The value proposition that we are offering customers is really an integrated, seamless management experience. We know that IT mobility teams, as well as security teams, they don't have the bandwidth for another console to be added. What they want is something that integrates in with their existing workflows and makes that workflow better. And that's why we felt that integrating with Intune was so important. We provide a couple of key hooks with our Intune integration that really make an administrator's life easy. First is that all the device and user and group information that's within Intune, that's going to map over into Wandera and just make the management of policies so much easier. All of the threat detections that are happening within our environment are actually going to be shared over with Intune. And so they're able to drive policies from one central console that's going to be touching devices, groups, as well as applications. And so what our integration with Intune provides is really a comprehensive end-to-end solution that starts with device management and ends with full protection of those users against things like mobile phishing attacks, mobile malware, and the like. From a Wandera perspective, the licensing model is very straightforward. It's going to be per user per month. That actually is going to support any device type, whether it's BYOD or corporate liable. And as long as the customer has Intune, they'll get the integration with that for free. When Microsoft sellers are talking about the Wandera and Intune integration, I think one of the most important things for them to highlight is our ability to enforce conditional access policies using input from Wandera's Mobile Threat Defense. Any threat that we're identifying on the Wandera side is going to be integrated into a conditional access policy with Azure Active Directory that ensures that protected users are only allowed to access sensitive corporate applications in the cloud when their device is in a trusted state.